In this video, we're going to go over how to install the AiXQL download packet. So here it is. So you would have downloaded it from from predictivemodeler.com's download page. And this is what it looks like. It's a zipped file, predictivemodeler.com, and I'm going to unzip it here. And you'll notice that there's a .bak, which is a backup file, and also a scripts file. So I'll come to the script file a little bit later, but let me show you kind of how to install the actual database that you'll need. So in this video, we're not going to cover the installation of SQL Express or the Management Studio. I assume that you've downloaded it and installed it, and if you haven't, in a separate video, I kind of show how to install it. It's pretty straightforward, but hopefully at this point you have installed SQL and the Management Studio. So this is what the window looks like, and I'm going to now restore the database. So this is how we're going to install the AiXQL. You'll notice one thing, that I already have AiXQL database installed here. That's okay, because normally what's going to happen is you will be downloading updated versions of AiXQL, and you'll already have that database. So you'll basically be overwriting that database with a newer version. So that's what we're going to demonstrate. But the process should work the same even if you're doing it for the first time. So here we go. So I'm going to restore the database. So this is the button. So I right click on databases, and then I go to restore database. Now my file, that .bak file, is on a device. So I'm going to select device. I'm going to open up my sort of Explorer folder, and I had it in the downloads folder. So I'm going to download it, and then click OK here, click OK. Now it's important that I go to File, Options, actually, and click this button. So overwrite the existing database with replace, okay? Because you want to update your existing installation of AiXQL with the more updated version. All right, so I'm gonna click OK. It'll take a second, and then it gives a message that database restored successfully. I'm gonna click OK. And now I can navigate to my database. I can go to tables, and typically you'll have some kind of sample data in there. So at this point, with this version, there's only one sample data in there. So now I'm going to go to scripts. Now within scripts, you'll have whatever available functionality is in the version of AiXQL that you downloaded. Right now, with this sort of inaugural version of the database, we only have the one script that says run neural nets. So that's what you're seeing on the screen right now. Over time, I expect that there will be more algorithms, sort of more enhanced algorithms as well. But for right now, let me open up the script. So I just clicked enter on it, and it opens up in Management Studio. Now, the way the script is designed is once you've installed the database, you can actually just run the script, and it's ready to run out of the box. So with the default settings, it's actually going to train the neural network, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to press execute or press F5. So okay, I'm going to press execute here. And voila, it kind of ran through, and it actually trained the neural net. And I'm not going to go over what it actually just did with all the different. That's the subject for a different post. I have a video where I go over the functionality of the neural net, so that you can kind of follow along and see what exactly the calculations that it just conducted when you press that button. But that's it. That's how you install an updated version of AiXQL. Pretty straightforward.